Step into Fit-O-Near, where each day unfolds a new fashion story. How to make a fashion portfolio. A comprehensive guide for aspiring designers. Are you passionate about fashion design and dream of showcasing your creativity to the world? How to make a fashion portfolio. Getting started. Define your purpose and target audience. Before diving into the creative process, it's essential to define your purpose and identify your target audience. Research fashion portfolio examples. Analyze their layouts, the use of colors, typography, and how they present their work. Select and organize your best work. Include a variety of garments, sketches, illustrations, fabric swatches, and photographs that demonstrate your versatility and range as a designer. Create a captivating cover page. Consider incorporating your logo, a striking image, or an innovative design that grabs attention. Develop a consistent layout and theme. Choose a layout that allows your work to shine and keeps the focus on your designs. Include detailed descriptions and inspirations. Explain the concept behind each piece, the materials used, and the techniques employed. Highlight your technical skills. This will impress potential employers or clients and set you apart from other aspiring designers. Incorporate variety in presentation. Experiment with different layouts, grids, and typography to add visual interest to your portfolio. Use high-quality images. If possible, consider hiring a professional photographer or investing in good lighting equipment to capture your work in the best possible way. Pay attention to typography and readability. Typography plays a significant role in the overall presentation of your fashion portfolio. Create a strong online presence. This platform allows you to reach a wider audience and provides potential employers or clients with easy access to your portfolio. Seek feedback and make iterations. Remember, constructive feedback can be invaluable in refining your work and making it more impactful. Tailor your portfolio for specific opportunities. Research the institution, company, or brand you're applying to and understand their aesthetic and values. Showcase your creative process. Include rough sketches, mood boards, fabric swatches, and any other visual elements that illustrate how your ideas come to life. Create a compelling story. Every fashion portfolio should tell a compelling story about the designer behind the work. Keep your portfolio updated. Fashion is an ever-evolving industry, and your portfolio should reflect your growth and adaptability. Network and attend industry events. Building a strong network is crucial for success in the fashion industry. Create a physical and digital version. A physical portfolio can leave a lasting impression during face-to-face meetings, interviews, or portfolio reviews. Polish your presentation skills. Pay attention to your body language, tone of voice, and overall confidence. Leverage social media and online platforms. Engage with the fashion community, follow relevant hashtags, and actively participate in discussions. Continuously evolve and experiment. By demonstrating your ability to adapt and innovate, your fashion portfolio will showcase your dynamic nature and potential. With a well-crafted fashion portfolio, you'll be one step closer to achieving your dreams in the exciting world of fashion. Visit Fit-O-Near.com for detail guides. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.